All right, what's up, guys? Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Damn it. So, once again, looks like we have another hot day here. And my main focus out the gate is OSS. OSS is above everything. Just about, let's see. So $3. So it's struggling with $3 a little bit. But that's alright. So we got anything else new that popped up? Nope. So $3 is where $3 is where resistance is at. If we get the re-break over 3, which is about where the VWAP is, then we could see this start moving. Trove's not doing much. VXRT kind of 62 cents, kind of open up right in this middle area. So VRXT is going to be a little sketchy. VWAP's at 66. And then you got the 200 at 79. So there's some room to make some money on that. Let's see, NTRP moving pretty decently right now. 225. See, there's a gap. There is a big gap on this stock. So it's at 235. But it's only got room up to 296 in this gap. And if it could break that, then it has room up to 428. But that's a pretty good gap. We're in the gap right now. So it's definitely one we're going to want to watch. OSS and NTRP so far are the two I'm leaning towards. GMPX still carrying on with its nonsense. 179. Resistance at 2 and then 225. And then after that, there's not going to be any more resistance. Looks like there's some resistance at $1.80. So got about a minute and a half left. So yeah, I believe that's probably the three I'm going to be paying attention to. NVAX went on its massive run yesterday, and it's floating around that 850 area. So this could get going again. Not a lot of volume on it in pre-market, but okay. All right, so got 43 seconds here. Which one is it going to be? Is it going to be OSS or NTRP? That is the question. OSS is still pulling back here, which is a good thing. See, 278. So 275 should be pretty strong support. We may be able to look for a U shape into the VWAP if 275 holds up here. Hmm. Let's see. NTRP. Right here at the VWAP. See, GMPX. Kind of same thing. Right down to the VWAP. On the 1 minute? Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute. I'm missing anything? BX, RX, some type of reverse stock split. EXPR, something like that. So NTRP did bounce. Come on. Thinkorswim doing this again. Woo, NRT. Alright. Alright, Thinkorswim. Gotta quit being crazy. Alright, so Thinkorswim is acting crazy again this morning at the bell. Same thing as yesterday. And I can't see anything that is going on here. There we go. So NCRP right out the gate with a nice little rip. See, OSS. Come on. I said OSS has that potential U shape if it can get back up to this $3 area. Crashing out a little bit there. And NTPR should have resistance at $3. $3 should hold this back. Should get a pullback. What's up, One Life? So yeah, it's hitting 3 now. So that should get a pullback there. Come on. VXRT. Staying above the VWAP if Thinkorswim would work. So there's a little potential on VXRT right now. Room to run up to 80 cents. An NTRP ripped over $3. Just straight out the gate. 225 to 322. CHFS. Oh, come on. See, I just saw CH. Yeah, my Thinkorswim is being crazy. I just saw CHFS start popping up. I may actually go on CHFS here with this pullback. I think I'm going to go in case this breaks 125. VWAP's right here. I'm in at 121. VWAP's at 117. So I want to see if this is going to break 125 and start getting some action here. Ooh. We're just right above the VWAP, so could get some action on this play. Still yet. CHF has went on some big runs before too, so in the past. It's not been on a run lately, so I could see it getting on a run. We're just bouncing around that 120, 125 area right now. You can see there's a lot of selling at 125, but we get through that. This is probably going to make a decent move. We go from 110 to 125. Okay. We'll pull back there to the VWAP. Still struggling with 125. 125 is going to be tough. Like I said, if it can get through 125, though, might be having a little pullback here. A little bit of buying coming in there at 120. Just got to take out that 124 and 125 area. Take out those, we're good to go here on CHFS. So coming up to 124 right now. 124 slowly getting pecked at right here. Yeah, 124 is about to break down. Then next will be 125. So now we're at 125. 124 broke down. See, 125 starting to look like it's starting to break down. Yeah, it is. So we might get a move here. Here we go. A little quick pop up to 130. Let's see where we got resistance at. 196. So we really don't have much resistance up to 150. So I could see this getting pushed up to 150. We're just slowly moving here. See, we starting to get a trend line maybe on this play. Maybe. So it's not getting much yet. Still a little light on volume. We're starting to pull back here. Yeah, this is not looking good. Because it did not get going after break at 125. It just popped to 130 and that was it. So we may be having to get out of this. Yeah. Pretty good pullback on this so far. Let's see. We should have some support at 115. It's about as far as I'm willing to let it go. Is 115. Let's see. What did they do? Launch of. Okay, so they're using something. Alright, so pulling back above the VWAP here, kind of. Definitely want to see it get back above there. Alright, so good. That candle opened up on the VWAP, and then needs to come up. Hmm. That was definitely not the move I was thinking this was gonna get. Thought we was gonna get more than a 5 cent move at the break of 125. That candle opened up below the VWAP. I don't like that. It needs to come up. See what we look like on the 5 minute right now. 5 minutes a little ugly. Ooh, I may have to get out of this. Hitting that 115. It's a little sketchy on CHFS right now. Let's see if this is going to come back and get above the VWAP. I'm going to put a little stop loss. What? So I can't maneuver that. Let's see. OSS. Yeah, OSS making that U shape. So break of the VWAP here and break at $3 and get this U shape move on OSS. Be watching out for that. I'm missing it. CHFS is not doing what I want. So let's see. Yeah, this is looking. If 116 does, if 115 doesn't hold up, I'm gonna have to get out of this. Trying to put a stop loss. Huh. So I can't put a stop loss where I want for some reason. But we could get a U shape on CHFS here. If this can get back above the VWAP. Looks like it's trying a little bit here. Put CHFS here up here so I can switch back and forth quickly. Yeah, so OSS still struggling with that $3 area as well. I may have to get out here. CHFS needs to get back above the VWAPs. It needs to stop testing this 115 support. So I'm selling at 120. Some resistance there. It needs to come up here. If it keeps testing support, it's going to crack. There we go. So OSS still in that U-shape area. Let's see. Yeah, right at the VWAP and $3 still, so you're going to need that to break. GMPX not doing much. That's not doing much. What I'm seeing, let's see, NTPR, what is this doing right now? So NTPR had a bounce off of the VWAP. Still struggling with that 200-day there. Yeah, CHFS is going to need volume back in this, or it's not going to do anything. It's looking kind of light on volume right now. That was a decent candle. If this candle can come up, that makes this little U a little better looking. Okay. Alright, Thinkorswim. Alright, so Thinkorswim's going crazy again. Here we go. Flipping through stocks on its own. Killing me here, Thinkorswim. Oh my god, come on, Thinkorswim, stop doing that. Thinkorswim has been annoying me lately with all the nonsense. So yeah, this needs to come up. I'm going to get out. I'm going to have to get out probably. Let's see. Is 115 going to hold up? Nope, it's not going to hold up, so I'm getting out. There we go. I almost didn't get filled there. So a little $20 loss, whatever. It had the chance to go on a nice move. It just couldn't. It just never got any strong volume, so not really anything I could do there. So GMPX looking kind of ugly. Oh my god, Thinkorswim, you're driving me nuts. Is anybody else having this problem with your charts? Like you click on something on your watch list and then it like flips through several stocks. It's really annoying. Yeah, so you can see our CHFS did have a pretty nice pullback. So I got out just in time there. Let's see, I got $100 left. Maybe I could do something with 290. Might try to buy a few shares of something just to maybe make up a little bit of profits. NTPR has held up its gains. Let's see, we're right at $3 here. And there we go. We're moving again. Moving again. Awesome. Come on. TRP, whatever. Think about going with just like 30 shares on NTPR. Yeah. It's gonna have to move a lot for me to make any money, but we saw one stock go on a $10 run yesterday, NNVC. And NTPR is the only thing that's held up its gains so far and is consolidating right now. So it has the 200-day right here at $3, which is above. So we could potentially see this go on another pretty decent move if it can get going. Got resistance at 325 probably. Nope. So up to 340. So that's what I was talking about. As I was talking about it, it ripped. Should have waited. I shouldn't have got in on CHFS. Should have waited and got in on this with all my account instead of only 30 shares. But I think we're going to get going here because nothing else is going on. OSS isn't doing anything. Nothing else is going on. So NTPR should have all the attention. Let's see where the gap is. The gap is all the way up at 434. So this could get that gap filled. And I'm not trying to make a killing off of 30 shares. I'm just trying to make up my loss with 30 shares, which would be pretty neat. It looks like it's going to start going here. Yeah. So I'm selling at 343, which is kind of weird, but I don't think that's going to hold up as much. Maybe it did hold up a little bit. So you can see volume bar starting to come back in here after this consolidation. All this is consolidation. So I'm wanting to see if it's gonna keep going here and get a nice little rip. There we go. Come on up. Get over at 340 area. I don't understand why it's struggling with 343 for, but for some reason it is. There's not really any reason for it. Ooh, big pullback here. Well, not as big as I thought it was. It was just a quick pullback. Maybe it is going to be a big pullback. Kind of don't like this little reverse U. This candle needs to come up and get back up to that 340 area. This is going to come back down. And it's looking like it's going to come back down here. We do have some support at 315. Oh, no we don't. 315 got taken out quick. So this is pulling back pretty hard. I'm surprised. With that gap and everything. So is that what we got going on? We got a little trend line. Yeah, it kind of looks like we got a little trend line here starting to form. So if that's the case, if this trend line is good, then we should be good. We should see it slowly climb back up that 340 area and then maybe get that rip. Yeah, 315's looking a little weak though. Okay, there we go. Nope. Spread is getting a little wacky. Yeah, okay. So this does look like this is where the trend line is at. Cuz it went right down to it and bounced right off, so a little pullback there. And we just got this little trend line thing going here. Let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute. Yeah, on the 5-minute looks fine. This looks like a U shape. So the 5-minute looks pretty good. 15-minute just straight up green. Alright, NTPR. Let's see you go on a big rip. So yeah, starting to come back up. Some buying volume starting to come back in. Over 325. Just can't figure out that 343. What is that resistance about? There's no resistance anywhere for that. Unless it's something old on the like 2 or 3 years ago on a chart, maybe. Cracking that trend line here. I don't like that. And I'm not. Not willing to risk much on this. Let's pull back kind of hard here. Let's see if $3 holds up in the VWAP. Yeah, okay, so $3 is holding up as support now at the VWAP. If it cracks that though, it's not going to be pretty. What is this? GMPX. Yeah, nothing else is going on today. This is TRIL maybe. There's a little something going on. So a big buyer came in at $3 to hold this up. So if NTRP doesn't get on this big move here, if it doesn't make a move, if that's all this has, then it's a pretty quiet day, really. Interesting. So we're just waiting. Just gonna have to wait this out. Kind of starting to look like more consolidation, possibly. Let's see. Let me see the 5-minute, because I kind of saw there's a bit of a trend line more on the 5-minute. So maybe I can draw it there. That's a little steep. Could I actually kind of draw maybe? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if there's a trend line on this. I don't know. Don't crack at $3. We want this to stay above $3 at this point. If it goes below $3, it is going to crash out pretty hard. I'm not seeing much of anything else doing anything. See EXPR. EXPR went on a nice little run. CTIB. Huh. So yeah, not a lot going on. Compared to yesterday when we had stocks kind of ripping all over the place. Oh, come on. Take a swim, you're killing me. Alright. Okay. Alright. So we're starting to come back up here on NTRP. I said, I just can't believe there's nothing else really going on. You know, we had some moves in pre-market. OSS, GMPX, VXRT, several different stocks. What does INVAX look like this morning? INVAX, not doing too much. Come on. See, at this point, NTRP is just riding up the VWAP, so as long as it holds up the VWAP, probably good to hold. That 343 is the thing that is weird. Like, it's really weird that 343 was resistance on this. That's not a whole number. There's no moving averages showing it. There's no past chart resistance. Like, I would have never, if you just said 343 is going to be resistance, I'd have been like, you're crazy. Because we're in this gap as well. This big gap that could be filled. So it's like 343, really. So yeah, we're starting to slowly creep up again. I see it keeps slowly building, but man, I keep looking over here at the side and I'm not seeing anything pop up new or anything. It's like, it's really slow this morning. Unless I'm missing something. If I'm missing something, guys, just shout it out in the chat. We got a slow day and a quiet chat. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad you agree with me, Daniel B. It's very slow. And NTPR is just slowly climbing. Is there something going on today? I could have stayed in bed. This is boring. It's very boring. So, lost $22. It's one of those days where volume is off for some reason. Volume's a little weird. So NTRP actually looking a little decent here. Slowly coming up still. It's just a slow creep. A lot of buying coming here at 320. Apparently we've got a flag. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe the flag's on the 5 minute. Oh yeah, yeah, it's kind of a flag on the 5 minute. I'm still holding. See, I was feeling pretty good about VXRT myself too. I was thinking that probably could get a decent move. The only thing I didn't like is where it was opening up at, but I could see it getting some attention. How far did that go up? Let's see, 335. Okay. So if we get over 340, we should be good. This is a lot of higher lows and slow consolidation. If this does get a breakout, it should be a pretty decent sized breakout, I would think. Like maybe see that gap filled up to $4, something like that, maybe. But still, it's still not getting a ton of buying volume to really get it going. It's just slow little pecks at it. How we go from a supernova yesterday to hardly anything happening today? This market's been crazy. See, so resistance at 330 right now, and it's slowly getting taken out. Some sellers there. Yeah, a lot of selling at 330 here, but if they get taken out, we should see it up to that 340 area. Because it's testing them. It's testing that 330. Yeah, 330 is about to get taken out, I think. I see a lot of 330. Oh, yeah, it got taken out. So let's see what happens here. Is it going to get back up to 340? Yeah, here we go. It should be over 340. Starting to move here. Nope. 345 is resistance. What is going on? What is going on right now? 343 was resistance, now 345. This area it is just struggling with. I really thought it was about to start popping there, and then we're all the way back down to 330 now. Like the buying volume has been good on this stock up until it gets to that resistance, and then like the buying volume just goes and disappears. And I'm not seeing any big sellers at 345 or anything. Strange. It's very strange. I'm expecting more out of this than 345, but I'm starting to get kind of aggravated by the movement of the stock. Yeah, let's see. We're at 3 and still hit 345 again. There's some selling there at 344 and 345, and we're back down to 336. But yeah, I'm getting close to just locking out, and if this doesn't break soon here. A lot of buyers at 337, and they all got taken out just like that. But yeah, I'm thinking about locking out and just taking this. Oh, big buyer just came in at 338. We should get moving here. Maybe not. I can't believe how strong that 345 area is. Like 350 is where I would expect the resistance to be at. Here we go. And there is resistance at 350. A lot of selling at 350. So if this does not break here, then I may get out. NT, you think it's going to go one life? I think it's got the potential to if it can get through 350. 350 is this whole area, 340 to 350 has been a struggle for this stock. And we're back down to 330 again. So we might have to go sideways a little bit longer. A lot of struggle in that 350 area. A lot of selling at 340 again. I really don't want this to come back down to $3. So if this is going to take another run at 350, or if this is going to start cracking. Alright, so back over 340. It was over 340 for a second, but right back down. See, it keeps acting like it wants to go, and then it just doesn't. This will be if it comes back up to 350 again, this will be like the third time of it trying. But I don't know. Yeah. Man, this is. Yeah, I know. As long as it, yeah, I know. I don't even want it testing 330 support. Like, it needs to maintain this upward trend of buying volume, and it does not even need to touch 330. It needs to stay way above that. It needs to stay in this area right here, and then up over 340 soon. Decent buyer there at 336. Okay, 336. Looking like some good support here. We're back over 340, so that's what I wanted to see. Now we need to kind of stay above 340. And we don't want to see less than 340 right now. We gotta get in those newer highs. There we go. So 340 starting to become some support. Starting to slowly move up here. Oh, right back down again. The stock is having some trouble in this area for sure. A lot of resistance. So if it does break 350, it should go on a pretty good run. Because, I mean, this is a lot of resistance. This is a lot of buildup, a lot of consolidation to this 350 area. Starting to look a little weak, maybe. Okay, it's got to come back up. You don't want to drop in too much. Yeah, couldn't get it. Struggling. It's trying to hold up 330 support, but it's looking pretty weak. And there's definitely the trend line or whatever I'm trying to find is just not there. Trying to kind of get a hold on this trend line, but because I like using trend lines, but it's not looking. Yeah, the trend line's not there. Oh boy, this is. I don't know. Market conditions are not that good today because we're not having anything rip, and this is having a lot of trouble. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out. I'm getting too nervous about this stock. It's taking way too long. So I made 768 on that, so that took out a little bit of that loss on CHFS. Let's see what I lose on C8, 19. So yeah, so it made me only have a $12 loss. I'm fine with that. I mean, I only had 30 shares anyway. But I'm just I don't know. It's not feeling good. It struggled so much with 350 in that 340 area several times, and I don't know. If it can continue to hold up 330, it might can get that move still, but I just don't like the selling pressure on the stock right now. And how long it's taken to do anything. So yeah, not too bad. At least made that loss a little bit smaller. Only a $12 loss today instead of a $20 loss. So I'm curious to see if it's going to run, but man, quiet day today. Very quiet day. What happened with TRIL? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, TRIL, nice move. And then you got out too early on that. It's pretty decent move. Got some resistance at 340. Same resistance area as in TRP. 340, 350 area. So we had some rips early. The rips are right in the beginning of market open. And then we had a decent little move. Let's see, OSS is starting to come back up here. So if OSS breaks $3 here, you could see OSS maybe start getting some attention. But yeah, just I don't know. Today just it's not a great day. Just feels like the selling volume is a lot heavier than the buying volume. I mean, like I said, right at market open, you got some moves, but after that, it's just been quiet. Yeah, look, VXRT didn't do anything. Quiet day. Very quiet day. All right. Well, OSS still struggling to get back up to 3. It looks like it's going to have to U-shape around a little bit. NTRP bounced off of the VWAP again at that $3 area. Starting to slowly come back up. It still could rip. As long as it holds up its gains and stays above the VWAP, it still has potential to rip. But just a little too sketchy for me at this point. But yeah, this is quiet and boring. So we'll give the stream about 8 more minutes here. If anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns? And then we can go over anything that we need to. See, OSS is still trying to slowly come up here. I would keep OSS on pretty high watch right now. If this breaks over $3, you could get a nice move on this. It hasn't been over $3 since pre-market, so $3 is pretty major resistance. Let's see what happens here. It looks like it's going to try for it. Not a lot of volume yet, but, well, it's starting to come in here. Some selling at $3. Looks like it's going to break over, though. Nope, still didn't yet. So let's see. We need to see $3 back on the ask and see if it gets taken out. So there's some selling at $3. That was just a quick touch. So let's see what is going to happen here. You going to get over $3 OSS? Ooh, pull back there. So that's gonna, nope. Still couldn't get over $3. Dropping all the way back down below the VWAP. Yeah, very weird today. A lot of fake out breakouts, things like that. And that's the third time OSS has hit $3 and immediately crashed. It hit here, then a big crash down, hit here, 3 candles of crashing, technically probably 4. And then hit here and started crashing some more, so. Definitely cannot play breakouts today. You gotta play bounce plays. That's what it looks like. Because nothing is breaking out. Yeah, NCRP still nothing. It's riding above the VWAP. It's like it has just enough buying volume to keep it above the VWAP, but not enough buying volume for it to break out. And it could just be people are buying, day traders are dip buying today. You're still waiting for a pop on VXRT. It's got a ways to go before. I mean, right now it's right at the 60-cent support resistance line. And right now 60 cents is acting as resistance. So it needs to get back above 60 cents before it does anything. But yeah, this is one of those days where it's not even really worth getting out of bed for. Because things are just going crazy and not cooperating. And look, all the volumes died off of OSS. Yeah, I think I'm done with the day. I think I'm ready to wash my hands of today's trading and get ready for tomorrow for the small account challenge. I gotta try to make back my losses from yesterday. Acor with a very ugly chart, but well, it hasn't ran that much. VXRT's gonna go back to 40 cents in 1 month. There's a gap back here on VXRT, but it's at $1.05, so pretty far away. See OSS slowly starting to creep back up again. Let's see if OSS is going to get back up to the $3 mark. See if it can go for another try. You are going to have some resistance in this 330 area on OSS, but if it breaks $3, you get that 30 cents out of it, and then if it breaks 335, there's nothing really holding it back up to 390. So potential's there on some of these stocks. It's just I don't know. Just looking at everything, the way everything's moving so slow, it's just like volume is off today for some reason. I don't know. Nope, no SS couldn't get back over the VWAP. So, all right. Yeah, you would hope. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Maybe it'll get better later today, but this is not the markets I like to trade in, where everything's just crashing and red and no breakouts, no excitement. Jeez, what a move on this big cap stock for 87 up to 96. A $10 move. Show my t-shirt. Got fuzz on it. My dog shed some, so probably got a little dog hair on it. What's wrong? Throw my shirt. Why are you making fun of my shirt? I don't understand. I don't understand why you want to do that. Why you want to make fun of my shirt, man? Come on now. You can make fun of me all you want, but you leave my shirts out of this. Oh yeah, it's got the logo on there. Can you see it? How'd you even see it? I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm trying to, let me see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. You can kind of see it. The problem is, yeah. The problem is the colors are off because I have a green screen background and the chroma key takes greens and yellows out of colors, so it's actually the exact same colors as my logo, but it doesn't look like that at all. NTRP has still held up $3, still above the VWAP, but just going slowly sideways some more. And OSS is crashed almost all the way down to the 200. Yeah, there's nothing going on. Yeah, exactly. One Life rapping in the chat, throwing out punchlines. Yeah, this is boring. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is a boring day. I am officially bored. Oh, let's see. TRIL's coming up to 340 again for the third time. Is it going to break 340 or are we going to get a break on something finally? Probably not. Nope, pulling back. Oh boy. Woo. It is not a pretty day. So VXRT did get above that, back above the 60-cent mark. It's got a long ways to climb to get back up to this VWAP though. Well, alright guys. I believe I'm done. How's the stream, by the way? I changed some settings, messed with some things. Is things clearer? Do we have crisp picture? Is the volume good? Is there any lag? Like, is the stream running good? It should be running pretty good now. We shouldn't have any more problems. So, if everything looks good to everybody, just let me know real quick in the chat. Stream is perfect. Awesome. Well, I'm glad I fixed those issues. Because I know we've had some ups and downs with the streams. Hopefully the recorded stream doesn't look crazy. But yeah, I've been trying to get all that straightened out, so my channel will be cool. P and L? Are you talking about your profits and losses? What are you talking about, P&L? Your P&L is poor today? Okay, I was just making sure. I agree. It is a poor, ugly day today. That's why I'm calling it a day, guys, because I can't sit here and look at the screen any longer and see nothing happen. It's too boring. Now, in all seriousness, in all seriousness, I only have 2 days to finish doing everything I need to do before I go on vacation, so I'm not going to waste any time. And I've still got quite a bit to do. So, alright guys, appreciate everybody joining me today. As always, we'll be back here tomorrow for my last day of trading this week before I go to Arizona for vacation. So, we'll be back here tomorrow on the Small Account Challenge. And you guys have a great rest of your day. I am out.